In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create performance dashboard in Google Sheets. We'll build a simple, reliable setup with a back end where your raw numbers live and a front end that shows the big takeaways at a glance. By the end, you'll have a clean view of how you're tracking against your goals without any complicated tools. Let's start with the data foundation. Create a new tab and name it performance data. This is the back end where you'll log your metrics consistently. Add 5 column headers: date, metric, target, actual, and percent of goal. Format date as a proper date. Keep metric as plain text so you can track things like YouTube views or sales, and make sure target and actual are numbers. For the percent of goal column, we'll calculate how close you came to the target. Enter your first row, 2026, 0201, YouTube views 5,000 and 5,200. In the percent of goal cell for that row, type A equals D2 for C2 and press enter. That divides your actual by your target. Format that column as a percentage so it's easy to read. Add your next row, for example, 2026, 0202, YouTube views 5,000, 4,800, and in the percent of goal cell, type equals D3C3. As you keep logging new days, drag that formula down so every row calculates automatically. A quick tip: freeze the header row so your labels stay visible, and keep the sheet tidy to avoid mistakes. Now let's build the front end. Create a new tab called Dashboard. This is your summary view. At the top, set aside a clean area for your key numbers. For current pace, in a blank cell, type equals average performance data EE. This gives you the average percentage of goal across all your logged days, so you can see at a glance whether you're generally hitting targets. Format it as a percentage with 1 or 2 decimals for clarity. For total achievement, use SUM performance data DD. That adds up your actual column and shows the total volume for your month or project period. For best day, enter XSUM max performance data DD. That pulls the highest actual value so you can quickly spot your peak performance. As you continue to add rows in performance data, the dashboard updates automatically. If your average looks off, check for zeros or partial data, since the average function ignores blanks but includes zeros. Consider labeling your dashboard cells clearly and using consistent metric names on the data tab so everything stays clean and readable. That's it. Keep entering your daily numbers in performance data, and your dashboard will always reflect your current pace, total achievement, and best day. Simple, fast, and effective.